Question 1. The initial idea of recruitment on merit principle can be traced to The. Correct answer is B. Macaulay Committee. Question 2. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? Correct answer is A. Indian Councils Act, 1892, Principle of Election. Question 3. In the federation established by the Act of 1935, residuary powers were given to The. Correct answer is C. Governor General. Question 4. The Government of India Act, 1919, was based upon. Correct answer is B. Montagu-Chelmsford Report. Question 5. Under which one of the following acts was the communal electorate system introduced by the British in India for the first time? Correct answer is A. Government of India Act, 1909. Question 6. What were the salient features of the Government of India Act, 1935? Correct answer is D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 7. Who among the following was the Finance Minister of India in the interim government during 1946-1947? Correct answer is C. Liaquat Ali Khan. Question 8. Which one of the following acts laid the foundation of the British administration in India? Correct answer is A. Regulating Act, 1773. Question 9. Who among the following was the first Law Minister of India? Correct answer is C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 10. During the British rule in India, who was the first Indian to be appointed as law member of the Governor General's Council? Correct answer is C. Satyendra Sinha. Question 11. Who among the following was the chairman of the States Committee of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 12. The Constitution of India as framed by the Constituent Assembly was finally adopted and enacted on. Correct answer is C. The 26th of November 1949. Question 13. Who among the following was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is C. Sir B. N. Rao. Question 14. The second schedule of the Constitution of India does not contain the provisions as to who among the following. Correct answer is D. The Chairman, Union Public Service Commission. Question 15. The term, economic justice, in the preamble to the Constitution of India, is a resolution for. Correct answer, A. Equal distribution of wealth. Question 16. The words, socialist, and secular, were inserted in the preamble by The. Correct answer is C. 42nd Amendment. Question 17. The sequence in which the given terms are mentioned in the preamble to the Constitution of India is. Correct answer is A. Sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Question 18. The boundary of a state in India can be altered through the procedure laid down in. Correct answer is D. Article 3. Question 19. Which article of the Constitution of India deals with the rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India? Correct answer is C. Article 8. Question 20. Which one among the following has the power to regulate the right of citizenship in India? Correct answer is B. The Parliament. Question 21. As far as the armed forces are concerned, the fundamental rights granted under Articles 14 and 19 of Constitution are. Correct answer is D. Available only according to law made by Parliament. Question 22. In Indian Constitution, the power to issue a writ of habeas corpus is vested only in. Correct answer is D. The Supreme Court and the High Courts. Question 23. Which one of the following rights was described by Dr. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Correct answer is C. Right to constitutional remedies. Question 24. Under Article 22 of the Constitution of India, with the exception of certain provisions stated therein, what is the maximum period for detention of a person under preventive detention? Correct answer, B. 0.3 months. Question 25. Reservation of seats in educational institutions in favor of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes is governed by. Correct answer is A. Article 15 of the Constitution. Question 26. Through which provisions does the Constitution of India explicitly prohibits racial discrimination in India? Correct answer is C. Articles 15 and 16. Question 27. Right to life emanates from. Correct answer is D. Article 21 and does not include right to die. Question 28. Which one of the following writs examines the procedures of inferior courts or tribunals? Correct answer is D. Certiorari. Question 29. The article of the Constitution which automatically becomes suspended on proclamation of emergency is. Correct answer is B. Article 19. Question 30. Which one of the following writs is issued by an appropriate judicial authority, body to free a person who has been illegally detained? Correct answer is D. Habeas corpus. Question 31. Untouchability has been abolished by the Constitution of India under. Correct answer is D. Article 17. Question 32. The right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights enlisted in the Constitution through which one of the following amendments? Correct answer is C. 44th Amendment. Question 33. Under the provisions of the Indian Constitution, a community can be declared a minority community on the basis of. Correct answer is B. Either religion or language. Question 34. The 93rd Amendment to the Constitution of India deals with. Correct answer is C. Reservation for admission in educational institutions. Question 35. The Supreme Court of India declared by issuing a writ that the respondent was not entitled to an office he was holding or a privilege he was exercising. Which writ is that? Correct answer is C. Quo warranto. Question 36. Right to work in India is a. Correct answer is B. Directive Principles. Question 37. Fundamental duties have been added in the Constitution by 42nd Amendment Act, 1976, in accordance with the recommendations of. Correct answer is C. Swaran Singh Committee. Question 38. The President's rule under Article 356 remains valid in a state for the maximum period of. Correct answer is C. 3 years. Question 39. The President of India is elected by the Electoral College, consisting of. Correct answer is B. Elected members of Parliament and state legislative assemblies. Question 40. The power of the President of India to issue an ordinance is A. An. Correct answer is B. Legislative power. Question 41. Which of the following tools of control may be adopted for raising a discussion in the House on a matter of urgent public importance? Correct answer is answer B. Adjournment motion. Question 42. The joint session of the two houses of the Parliament is chaired by the. Correct answer is B. Speaker of the House of the People. Question 43. Which one of the following is directly related to the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India? Correct answer is A. Appeals made in civil, criminal and constitutional cases. Question 44. How can the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India be increased? Correct answer is B. By a parliamentary act. Question 44. Judicial review in the Indian Constitution is based on. Correct answer is A. Procedure established by law. Question 45. Disputes between states come to the Supreme Court under. Correct answer is B. Original jurisdiction. Question 46. Under Article 213, the governor of a state is empowered to. Correct answer is B. Promulgate ordinances during the recess of the legislature. Question 47. Under which article of the Constitution of India, the state governor can reserve a bill for the consideration of the president? Correct answer is B. Article 200. Question 48. Under which articles of the Constitution of India is the power to issue writs for the enforcement of the fundamental rights vested in the Supreme Court and the High Courts? Correct answer is C. Article 32 and Article 226 both. Question 49. Under which of the following articles of the Constitution of India, the state legislatures delegate powers and functions to the panchayats? Correct answer is C. Point 243G and 243H. Question 50. The Panchayati Raj is included in the. Correct answer is B. State list. Question 51. The 73rd Amendment Act emanates from the. Correct answer is C. Article 44. Question 52. Which one of the following amendments to the Constitution of India sought to curb the political defection? Correct answer is B. 52nd Amendment.